Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nagabinta ka tuition but coaching ka babhatam yapi. Yasno but ka ICA.
MP Bamarwe ka Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya Dr. W.R. Kharluki haka arpun riutri ujimang arja persan ula Kynnoh baka National Green Tribunal kalale Arsap bat ongru ba unsara yakni kamat ban keren ha parliament haka jinga keren mikila pathai kubor Dr. Kharluki ula Kynnoh baka NGT kamshim nala ban le halor ki kaipon wat haba de ki million ngut ki brio kila yap nakadaw ka jingring men siem nakatadem pui balapan mi de ki karkhana kat baka kloy pat ban le tang hakabay day baka jingsha penjapo kamari.
This I'm going to bring a no 0 hours in Parliament. Yes, the NGT, they're very much against the illegal coal mining in the state. They're going after our people, and it affected those small coal miners. What shocked me is that the news that came up in Hindus, millions of people are dying because of pollution, because of the big industrialists, because of heavy industry, people are dying by millions. What have the NGT done for that? Many of the metros were affected by this. It came out in the Hindus recently. What they have done? They should not. To me, I feel I'm going to raise this in Parliament. This is to me a double standard. Our people have been affected. Coal was their livelihood. For 4 decades, they have been living on coal. All of a sudden, it's banned. And whom it affect? It affects those who are earning their livelihood from there. It affects the revenue of the state. It affects the district council. What shocked me is, why they're not doing anything on the big industrialists, who is very clear in Hindu that millions of people are dying because of pollution-related disease. You see, illegal rat hole mining, what they said is that it affected the environment. But pollution by heavy industrialists affected human being, which means human life is not important. I feel human life is also important, just as environment. But the thing is, what I'm seeing is that they should make a study why this like the coal, why it affected the rivers and all this. To me, it is because that while taking the coal out, and when they dump it, there is no they should have a place where at least cemented building are made so that trucks can go there, so that even when rain comes, it doesn't go to that thing. So they should stop this dumping of coal everywhere. That's the only thing. It is not mining. To me, it's not mining. It is the dumping of coal which affected the rivers.